The battlefield in Ukraine is being revolutionized by missiles, drones, and the use of artificial intelligence. And NATO armies now have this amazing opportunity to learn from Ukraine. It's a window onto the battlefield. There is a window onto what future conflicts are going to look like. But every week that passes, these drone technologies, the way they're operated, they are developing and improving. So what we're experiencing in Ukraine at the moment is most definitely a revolution in military affairs, and it's going to have an enormous impact on the way that Western armies now think about how to run their defense establishments and what they need from industry generally, not just from the defense industry. I think that we will see much closer military-to-military cooperation between European NATO countries and Ukraine. This will be mutually beneficial. It will provide the Ukrainian army with weapons, intelligence, and the types of organization and training that can improve its overall performance on the battlefield. European NATO armies will have the opportunity to absorb Ukrainian experience and learn from Ukraine's ability to adapt quickly to these rapid developments of technology and tactics, while also identifying their own vulnerabilities. So, what, for example, can be learned from yesterday's attacks on several Russian air bases housing strategic bombers. The Russians obviously never thought this was going to happen because they didn't seek to defend those aircraft, some of which were located in East Siberia and the far east of Russia. And it's absolutely stunning that the Ukrainians were able to attack them. So the main lesson, I believe, that NATO countries have immediately learned from this is that we don't have the defenses against such types of attack. And we certainly don't have them in my country, in Britain.